Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosa, they call me My Madudu. Today I'm here to introduce a greatest musician in Zimbabwe, my son by the name of Ricky Fire. The song is called Whiner. You don't have to understand the lyrics, but the beat is universal. This is what I call international music. You need to check out his YouTube channel, Ricky Fire. Now, let's get straight to my topic.
Ricky Fire, show them style. There's no danger.
Today, I'm going to be discussing about what music managers should avoid when managing an artist. If your ideas or your vision do not match up with the artist's vision, then avoid by all means managing that particular artist. And it's that simple. Do not force matters, because if you force matters, you will get disappointed as a manager in the end. This is why it is important to assess the artist before getting committed or before signing any contract. You need to assess things and weigh the odds before signing any artist. This is the reason I've taken my time and I'm currently looking for an artist with similar vision that I have, because I don't want to get disappointed in the end. If an artist is not happy and you as a manager, you are forcing the artist to do whatever they don't want to do, then in the end you become enemies and you'll never succeed in anything. The best thing as a manager to do is to find an artist with a similar vision as yours, with the right resources as well. This allows you to maximize the artist's potential. But also remember, I haven't yet mentioned the artist's talent. I haven't. You also want to manage an artist in majority of the cases who is already starting to create a fan base. But if the artist is very, very talented, sometimes it doesn't really matter. They've got a huge following. You can build up as a manager as long both of you agree and you've got the same goals for the future. As a music manager, you need to assess whether the artist has the will, has the drive to be the greatest musician. Because if the artist has got no will, has got no drive, then what's the point of signing that artist? There is no point whatsoever. If you are the manager who's always calling the shots on the artist, who's always pushing the artist, who's always making the effort, then know immediately that you are dealing with the wrong artist. And I think go your separate ways, because an artist with the goal, with the will join you in the fight to be the greatest. If you see yourself struggling, having to remind the artist, having to push the artist, they don't have the will, don't even bother to try and manage that artist. You need to go your separate ways. There's no need of signing an artist without the desire to be success. That's one thing managers should be aware of. As a manager, as a promoter, I want an artist who wants to be the greatest of all. That is the type of an artist I'm looking for. But there are different managers out there. There are managers who just want to see the color, the green color of $1. Yes, you heard me. They just want to see the money. Those kind of managers, they're there to make money. They don't even care what your music sounds like. They don't care. They don't understand a damn thing about your music. If you ask them, then you will know what kind of a manager you are dealing with. It also depends on what you want as a manager. The sign of $1, the smell of $1. There are different kinds of managers. It depends which one you want to be as a manager. As a manager, I want to align with an artist with similar vision as I do. It is important for me because I love to push them. I want them to have the drive to succeed and to achieve their goals and to be the greatest. What you need to remember as a manager, when you sign that agreement, contract agreement with the artist, it's now a commitment. The artist will be your priority. It's like adopting a child. They come first. To be successful, there's level of commitment and liability that comes with managing an artist. Because remember, as a manager, the artist you're managing might have a family, might have a wife and children, and they're all relying on that artist. As a manager, you need to give it 100%, but also the artist is got to give it all for both of you to succeed, which means their family both relies on the artist and the manager. So you've got so much responsibility when you manage an artist. As a manager, you have to come in as that person who facilitate the maturity and the drive of the artist to succeed. I hope it makes sense. Please like, comment. Don't forget to press that buzzer so that each time I upload the new video, you'll be notified. And thank you very much, and bye-bye.